I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can sell items on Craigslist. First, you want to come to craigslist.org, the official website of Craigslist. Click on account to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, you want to click on post because we want to create a post regarding our item we want to sell. So you want to click on first sell by owner because we want to sell an object. From over here, you want to choose which category your object falls under. I want to go into computer because mine is going to be an electronics item. Over here, I'm going to be selling a mouse, so I will write mouse. And the price is on pounds, so I will sell it for around 10 pounds. And the city it's going to be available in is London. I'm going to enter the postal code here. And the description is, it is a gaming mouse. You need to write the description according to the object you're trying to sell. And it's made by Razer. And the model name is just going to enter a random name called Series X. And over here on condition, my mouse is brand new, so I'll just write new. And the size is going to be 200 by 500. And over here where it says, contact, I'm going to ask them to contact using my email. But if you want to use your phone number, you can check mark this. Click and continue. Once you click and continue, it's going to ask you to choose the place where you want to sell it. So I want to sell it over here. So I will click and continue by dropping the pin. Click and continue. On the next step, it's going to ask you to upload an image. So I will upload a random image over here, but you need to upload the image of the object you're trying to sell. Click on done with image, and then it's going to ask you to publish. Click on publish, and your ad will be published in order for you to sell. You can enter your phone number over here for other people to contact you and click on continue, and it's done. So that's how we guys can post an object to be sold on Craigslist. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.